Hey guys, Max Israel. Welcome to the Art of Wardrobe. This week we're going to talk about a really great monochrome look using green. Monochromes, when you use the same color bottom and the top, it always makes you look just really cool, really sophisticated. We're going to base everything off of our green Skyline pant this week. You can see me wearing it in 3 different modes here. First, wearing it with a dressy shirt. Wearing this tucked in or tucked out is always going to look great. The lo-fi pant has a dropped crotch, so you got to have the confidence to wear it, but when you do, boy, you look cool. Next, you can see me here wearing this really cool Henley t-shirt, same color. Look at how even just with a pair of sneakers, it just kind of elevates the whole look. And of course, we make our Sevilla, our trademark Sevilla shirt in a whole host of colors, including this one. Look at how great the whole outfit comes together here. Monochrome look in green transmits energy and vitality. I think you're going to look great in this.